Okay, sometimes it's helpful to uninstall the add-in and reinstall it. Here's a quick video on how to do that. So from within Excel, we can see I currently have the add-in loaded. So let's remove that by going to the Insert menu, My Add-ins. See all, it takes me out to the Microsoft Store. These little dots here, we'll click on those and click on Remove. We'll remove that. Off we go. We can see it's gone. Always good to restart Excel though, just in case. So let's do that. And we'll add the add-in back in. Go to Insert. And we can go to Get Add-ins. And find it. There it is. Add it. Continue. And it brings it back.